Jai Shri Krishna. This is my attempt to recite the slokas of chapter 15. I will be using the book, hence, there may not be a proper eye contact maintained with the camera throughout the recording. I'm trying to record this in two parts. First part from sloka 1 to till 10, and second part from sloka 11 till the end. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Atha Panchadashodhyayaha. Sri Bhagavanuvacha Urdhvamulammadhashakham Ashvatham Prahuravyayam Chandansi Yasya Parnani Yastvam Veda Savedavid Adhaschordvam Prasritastasya Sakha Guna Pravriddha Vishaya Pravala Adhascha Mulyanusantatani Karmanubandhini Manushya Loke Na Rupamasyeha Tatopalabhyate Nanto na Chadir na Cha Sampritishta Ashvathamenam Suvirudamulam Asanga Shastrena Dridena Chitva Tataf Padam Tat Parimargitavyai Yasmin Gata Nanivartanti Bhuyah Tameva Chadyam Purusham Prapadye Yatah Pravrittiv Prasrita Purani Nirmana Moha Jita Sanga Dosha Adhyatma Nitya Vinivritta Kama Dvandvair Vimukta Sukha Dukkha Sanjair Gacchanta Muda Padamavyayantat Natad Bhasayate Suryo Na Shashanko Na Pavakaha Yadgatva Na Nivartante Tadhama Paramam Mama Mamaivansho Jiva Loke Jiva Bhutas Sanatanaha Manashasthani Indriyani Prakritistani Karshati Shariran Yadavapnoti Yachapyutkramati Grihitvaitani Samyati Vayurgandhani Vashayat Shrotram cha chakshusparshanam cha rasanam granameva cha adhisthaya manaschayam vishayanupasevate Utkramantam sthitim vapi bhuyanam vagunanvitam Vimudhananupashyanti Pashyante Jnana Chakshusah